This video is to provide substitutes with a quick overview of the Smart Find Express mobile app. Once logged in, substitutes will be defaulted to the Jobs tab. In this tab, substitutes are defaulted to view their active jobs. Active jobs are assignments that are up and coming. By clicking on the listed job, substitutes will see the job details. Includes the date or date range of the position, the times, any special text instructions. Substitutes can view by clicking the View button, and they will be displayed. The job details also shows the location, the subject area, also known as classification, the employee or vacancy that they'll be covering for, the location address, which is a clickable link that will take you to Google Maps, as well as the location's phone number. Substitutes do have the ability to cancel an assignment if needed from this screen. Substitutes are required to enter a reason code for declining the job. Substitutes can also view finished jobs, which will list any job that has already been completed, as well as canceled jobs. Canceled jobs are whole jobs that have been canceled either by the employee who no longer is absent or the administrator at the location. You will see a filters icon at the top of your screen. This filter icon is for the job search criteria. However, the job search feature has been disabled with our service at this time. The calendar tab will display a black dot underneath any date that the substitute has an assignment for. Substitutes can click on the date, and displayed below will be the job. Substitutes can again click on the job to view the job details screen. Substitutes are able to cancel the assignment if needed from this section as well. The Comms tab, also known as Communications. The screen is defaulted to show all district announcements. Substitutes can select an announcement to view. Once the announcement has been viewed, substitutes can click Pin to save the announcement in the Pinned tab for future reference and easy viewing.